9:30 at night. And look what baby is doing. Baby was waiting for daddy to come home. No way to get him to fall asleep because he was waiting for daddy.
You miss me? Did you miss me? You did? Did you miss your daddy? Did you miss your daddy? Huh? Did you miss your daddy?
Isn't that cute and beautiful? My two boys.
Are you tired? You big boy? You tired? You hungry? You need some milk? You want some milk? No? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want, big boy? You know you miss your daddy. Daddy likes to play with you. Huh? Daddy likes to play with you. He used to play with his big boy. Yeah? Do you like milk? You like boobies? Do you like boobies?